While the majority of people will be content with a cheap laptop, some of us require a little bit more power to get through the day. However, this does not imply that you must spend more than $1,000 on one. Over the past few years, mobile components have become more affordable while also becoming more potent and energy efficient. Therefore, affordable laptops are more prevalent and more realistically able to meet the needs of users who do more than just browse the internet and stream videos. 5. Asus Chromebook CX9. The Asus Chromebook CX9 raises the bar for this type of laptop with powerful specifications that are comparable to mid-range Windows 11 laptops, but are much better because the components aren't constrained by a taxing operating system. We'd suggest this to professionals who need something with real multitasking prowess because it has enough power to run 20+ browser tabs and a few streaming apps without any observable lags. In addition, the keyboard is incredibly comfortable to use, the device is lightweight and portable, the touchscreen is responsive, and the trackpad doubles as a number pad because that's just cool. This is without a doubt the best premium Chromebook available for under $1,000. 4. Acer Nitro 5, 2022. The Acer Nitro 5 is yet another example of why inexpensive laptops are worthwhile to consider, even if you have a more flexible spending plan. Even though the settings are a little bit lower, it's more than enough to let you play that brand new AAA game even though it may not have the raw power to deliver smooth gaming at the highest or ultra settings. Originally costing more, its base configuration has since decreased in price and is now available for well under $1,000. All the while giving a strong performance. This gaming laptop is able to run Total War, Warhammer 3, and Cyberpunk 2077 at frame rates of 70 to 130 FPS on low and even up to 50 FPS on ultra. For a laptop in this price range, that's not bad. The battery contains the compromises, if there are any. It not only charges slowly, but its battery life is appalling. It's best to keep this one connected to the power source. 3. Asus VivoBook 17, 2022. One of the best laptop manufacturers is Asus, which is praised for its affordable products like the Asus VivoBook 17 2022. Choose a 17-inch laptop with this one's impressive specs if you insist on buying one but still need a lot of display space. For less taxing creative tasks like photo editing and graphics design, a machine with all that screen real estate and an Intel 12th Gen chip is very capable. If you're looking for a laptop for video editing, you probably shouldn't choose this one because the internal integrated graphics mean that you'll have to put up with slow video rendering times. We also wouldn't use it to play graphically demanding games. However, this is the best 17-inch laptop under $1,000 for everything else. This is especially true given that it has a nice set of high-end features, including a fingerprint sensor, for something so reasonably priced. 2. Apple MacBook Air, M1, 2020. There are excellent Windows alternatives available that will allow you to complete your video renders for less money. However, it is the best we can get, and the MacBook Air M1 is the best laptop for video editing under $1,000. You'll still get the potent M1 chip, which is a true game changer if you stick with the base model. This laptop can handle 8K video editing workloads in addition to delivering as promised, that is, slaying through 4K video editing workloads. And that's with a thin chassis and a fanless design. 15 hours of battery life while browsing the web or the up to 18 hours of video. 1. Dell Inspiron 16-5000. For the majority of people, the Dell Inspiron 16-5000 is without a doubt the best laptop under $1,000. It costs a lot less than you would anticipate to get you a reliable configuration. You can purchase a potent 12th generation Intel Core i5 powered one for under $600, which should be more than sufficient for your productivity and general needs. Even more amazing, even if you require something more potent, you won't go over that $1,000 threshold. These inexpensive laptops, though, aren't lacking in features or performance. But in addition to power, you also get a good battery life, a beautiful design, and a well-made product. Because of this, they appeal to users on a tighter budget who don't care as much about having the latest and greatest gadget as long as it meets their needs. You have in the description the link of all the products. I hope you liked the video. Goodbye.